Today I'm going to be reviewing the ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold and the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition laptops. I hope you find this video educational and fun. In my other videos, I shared a review of other products like the Samsung Galaxy A73, the powerful features of the S Pen for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and so on. If you've not seen it, you will want to check it out after seeing this video. Meanwhile, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. Let's get started. Display. ASUS has finally launched its Zenbook 17 Fold OLED UX 9702 alongside the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition at CES on Wednesday. The Zenbook 17 Fold has a 17.3-inch or 2560 by 1920 display, which can be folded into a 12.5-inch or 1920 by 1280 display. The 12.5-inch or 1920 by 1280 resolution display can also be used when you need to use the Bluetooth keyboard. The Bluetooth keyboard can be placed on the bottom half of the screen. Weight. The Zenbook 17 Fold OLED UX 9702 weighs 1.6 kg without its keyboard, and it is 8.7 mm thick when it's not folded. Durability and core. ASUS says that the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED UX 9702 can handle 30,000 folding cycles or durability. The device features a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 of the Alder Lake U-Series Silicon processor that is clocked at 1.1 GHz. It pairs with the Intel Iris Xe graphics Thunderbolt ports, 5-megapixel camera, and a 75 mAh battery. ASUS says that the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED UX 9702 features a 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 performance SSD. ASUS says that the device also meets the grade standard of the US MIL STD 810H military. Specifications and features. The ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED has a 17.3-inch OLED display with a 2560 by 1920 pixel resolution, 500 nits of peak brightness, and a 0.2 ms response time. The VESA certified touchscreen display, according to ASUS, has a 4:3 aspect ratio. It can be used in laptop, PC, tablet, and book modes. The device is designed to help users work on multiple screens via the Screen Expert feature. When the 17.3-inch screen is folded, it becomes a screen that offers 1920 by 1280 pixels and a 3:2 aspect ratio. Speaker. The Zenbook 17 Fold OLED can be paired with an ErgoSense Bluetooth keyboard when users need to use the PC mode. The device comes with a speaker, a Harman Kardon speaker, and a Dolby Atmos audio system. According to ASUS, the device also features an amplifier that helps to maximize volume by up to 3.5x louder than a standard amplifier. They also claim that the distortion-suppressing dual-channel smart amplifier is equipped with a DSP chip that prevents long-term damage to the sensitive speaker voice coil. In the device is a built-in array microphone that ASUS paired with the ASUS AI noise cancelling technology. The ASUS AI noise cancelling audio, according to ASUS, employs machine learning to isolate unwanted noise from human speech. I think that's a good one. There's even a clear voice mic feature located in the My ASUS app that helps users to filter out ambient noise and normalize all individual voices that are present in the multi-presenter mode. This works from different positions, so an optimum group conference call quality is quite assured. As earlier mentioned, the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED laptop features a 5-megapixel web camera that has an IR function that supports Windows Hello. Connectivity. The connectivity option on the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 5.2, a pair of Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB Type-C ports, and a 3.5 mm audio combo port. The company is also providing a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter with the laptop. Let's talk about the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition laptop. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition laptop was also launched on the 25th anniversary. It was made known by the company that it will be the first set of ASUS laptops sent into space. The device is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i9, and it features a 14-inch 2.8K OLED display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. It also features a 0.2 ms response time, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a 550 nits of peak brightness. The display, according to ASUS, emits 70% less harmful blue light when in use. The laptop is said to have a screen-to-body ratio of 92%. It also features a 3.5-inch secondary display, OLED Zen Vivio Smart Display on the lid. According to ASUS, users can use the accessories box that arrives in the laptop's packaging as a 23-degree laptop stand. The processor of the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED laptop is clocked at 2.5 GHz up to 5.0 GHz, and it's paired with the Intel Iris Xe graphics just like the Zenbook 14 Fold OLED UX9702. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED is equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1 TB of M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 performance SSD. Just like the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED UX9702, this device also meets the US MIL STD 810H military-grade standard. According to ASUS, the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED laptop comes with a backlit chiclet keyboard. It also features a 720p HD camera with a privacy shutter, a built-in speaker with Harman Kardon audio for quality sound, and an array of microphones with Cortana and Alexa voice recognition support. ASUS revealed that it decided to create the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition UX5401 because it has done something similar 25 years ago. ASUS launched one of its P6300 laptops 25 years ago, and it was recorded that the device spent 600 days on Mir without failing. The turnout of event gave ASUS another reason to create the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition UX5401. The Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition UX5401 also has a 3.5-inch OLED screen on its lid. This display is capable of showing a space-themed animation, the time and battery, a custom text, and what ASUS calls a personal identity tag. The connectivity option on the device includes the Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 5.2, a micro SD slot, and HDMI 2.0 output, a pair of Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, and 3.5mm audio port, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. The device weighs 1.3 kgs. A quick sneak peek into the Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402. We can say that the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition UX5401's regular device is the Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402. Take a minute to grab that very well. Just like the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition UX5401, ASUS created the Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402 to have a 14-inch 2.8K OLED display, an Alder Lake Core i7 P-Series chip with Xe graphics, and a 75Wh battery. The Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402, unlike the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition, weighs 1.4 kg, is 17mm thick, has a number pad of 2.0, which is also a trackpad, and a fingerprint reader on the power button. The two devices still retain a lot of difference. The Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402 features a pair of Thunderbolt ports, a micro SD card reader, an HDMI port on one side, and a USB-A port on the other side. Although the two devices might have some similar features, there are several differences that one will observe. And we've come to the end of today's video on product review. I hope you found the video educational and fun. You can also check my other videos to see more product reviews that you will definitely love. If you're satisfied with the video, take a minute to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. Goodbye for now.